So we are live now. Hi everyone. Hello. Welcome to Learners Lab third session of CPaaS series powered by JioMeet. For the first timers who all have come for the first time to Learners Lab, I will give you all a small introduction about Learners Lab. So here at Learners Lab, we all learn about new innovations, collaborate with product experts, and network with each other so that we all can help each other elevate our businesses and grow in the network and grab bigger opportunities. Today we have Saurabh with us as the product manager of Geo Platforms, and he's going to help us understand about the user journey of CPaaS. And I cannot wait anymore, to understand better about the how we can integrate CPaaS into our app and websites. Also, guys, feel free to add your questions and any comments in the Q&A and comment section. At the end of the session, Saurabh will be catering to all of your questions, so feel free for that. And yeah, let's wait no more. Over to you, Saurabh.
Thank you, Ayushi. Hello, everyone. I'll be sharing my screen. So Ayushi, just inform me if it's up. Can you see it?
Yes, I can see your screen.
Okay. So, hello, everyone. Today in episode 3 of Learners Lab CPaaS, we'll be learning about how you can enable real-time communication services to your app and website. And if you have missed the previous 2 sessions, I'll be taking you through the a quick recap of that, followed by onboarding onto a CPaaS platform and a demo of a live product that has been used the CPaaS like services onto their platforms. So starting with the recap, my colleague Ramya and Rakshita have shared about CPaaS and the buyer persona in the episode 1 and 2 respectively. So we have seen that in today's era, hybrid model has become the new norm, and the CPaaS has recorded 30% growth in past 5 years across the markets. And it's been forecasted that by 2025, the growth of CPaaS will be at the rate of 30% CAGR. And it's also expected that 90% of the companies will adopt the CPaaS. And Ramya also spoke about the benefits of the CPaaS, which is a flexible, efficient, scalable, secure, and cost efficient. And then in episode 2, my colleague Rakshita shared about the buyer persona and the importance of it. So what are the importance of the buyer persona? Why it is so important? Because it unlocks the fresh opportunities for your businesses. It also helps to create the marketing strategies that will help you again generate the higher ROI. And it has been observed that 71% of the companies who like 71% of the companies are exceeding in revenues who have documented the personas. And it's been seen that like 60% of the companies are more profitable who are customer centric than the companies which are non-customer centric. And it's been observed like 73% of the marketers are enjoying the higher conversion rates because of this like personas that they have documented. So that's how we can start with onboarding a CPaaS platform by creating a persona. That's a very initial step which we have learned in the previous episodes. So today I'll be taking you to use cases of the CPaaS first, like before taking you to the onboarding onto the CPaaS, for you to understand what are the possible cases or the companies or the organizations are doing in this industry in the current time. So these are the some of the cases at present going in the market. So we'll have a look at a couple of them. Let's start with the telehealth. So in the telehealth, you can provide doctor-patient platform where they can meet over calling capabilities onto your platform or your website that will improve the patient healthcare. So you are helping your patient to reach out to doctor without even traveling to the hospitals and avoiding the crowds. Again, creating like benefits and being more customer like centric. And let's take another example of e-commerce. Let's say you are into an e-commerce segment and you want to provide your customer a better shopping experience. So you can, using the CPaaS, create a browsing feature where, let's say, in the current time, if I go on any e-commerce site, I like something, I have to take opinion of my friends, or you have to take some opinion of your friends. You go, you copy the link, you share the link with your friends, and then wait for their response, and then you like proceed to buy. So either you can do that, or with the help of a CPaaS, you can create a like browsing spaces on the platform. On a click, you can connect with your friends, families, and the loved ones, take their opinion. You can browse through entire catalog along with them and like decide what you have to buy. And along with that, you can also assist them with their uh, choices by providing a further step, going ahead with a further step by providing them a support assistant by an expert. So you can also give them an option to connect with an expert. So on a click, you can connect with an expert agent. An expert will be there along with you. You both can co-browse the products, know about the products. If you have any queries, expert will help you overcome all those queries and assist you in buying your products. And even after that, let's say you have some challenges, or a customer have a challenges or issues with a product that has been bought, you can even provide after sales services using the CPaaS. So on a click, right now we have email support, chat support, calling supports. You can also have a video capability inbuilt on your app. Your customers can click on that and can go on live video calling with the agent instantaneously, or they can like schedule a call as per the convenient time, and they can sort out all the problems, the issues that they have. So this is how the companies are like coming closer to the customers, helping them take a better decision on the products and ending up in better like satisfied and happy customers. So the companies are taking a lot of initiatives to become customer centric, as we have observed in learned in episode 2 that like 60% companies enjoy more benefits or revenues or profits because of being a customer centric. And the CPaaS is a platform that will enable you, or it will take you much like further towards being a customer centric company. So there are other like possible cases also. We'll not go in detail each one of them. So I'll be taking you to the onboarding session right now. So once you have decided your personas, you know what are your requirements. Based on that, you just have to go and choose your like CPaaS provider, because there are multiple CPaaS provider available in the market, and each one of them will like provide you like different capabilities and offerings. So based on your requirements and needs, you can choose your CPaaS provider and onboard to one of them. So right now I'll be taking an example of a JioMeet, how you can onboard, what all things you can see, and how easily you can integrate your application by just going onboarding onto a CPaaS platform, and you will have all the capabilities onto your applications. So this is a platform of a JioMeet where you have the two options to sign in or sign up. So if you're coming onto the platform for the first time, you can click on sign up. You'll get three options to sign up. You can use your official email ID, or you can use your existing Google or GitHub account. So once you have signed up, you can go on to like sign in, and you can use the either three ways again to log in. I'll use my official email ID to log in, and then I'll be at the page of the JioMeet platform. I have signed up. So I'm on the home page where I'll get all the documentation which will help me to integrate my SDKs and APIs on to the application. If you need any support, like technical support, you can click here, you can get it. And then you can go on apps. If you like, we have already created some of the apps, so you can create your app. How you can do that? You will see the option here, the create app. Click on it, give your app name. Let's say QWERTY, and you can give any domain name also. Then you can choose a use case of it. Let's say we have talked about telehealth, we'll choose that, and a short description. We will say doctor, patient, and then we'll choose the authentication, a two-step authentication process, and we'll create an app. So it will generate the public keys and the private keys. So to make sure, I'll download these keys, but still it will be available after that. But to be on the better side, we'll keep it downloaded. Now my app is created. I can go inside the app and see all the details. My app ID is generated, and I also have my security keys here. If in case your app is compromised by some or reasons, you can again regenerate your keys and start your operations again. And these are the default settings right now, but you can edit them through here. Again, if you want to do something, you can change your settings, and you can change your app name, or you can change your case or the description and everything. So once you have your app ID and this authentication keys, you can simply go on to the portal on your a Postman, integrate, refer our documents, and along with the help of this, you can do the coding, which is the minimum coding required. With the help of the app ID and the public keys, you will be able to get the all communication capabilities onto your apps. To see that, we'll be going on to a live demo of one of our customers who have integrated the JioMeet, CPaaS, SDKs and APIs. But before that, you can check your rooms that you have created here. You can check your recordings of your apps and everything. You can have the analytics also. You can include the members. You can manage the roles, who will be admin, who can do what all activities. You can provide the rights to them, who can create, delete, update, or just view. And along with the help of the app IDs and the authentication keys, you go on to your platform, integrate it along with the SDKs and APIs, and you will be up with the communication capabilities. Now I'll be sharing with you an example of JioCinema. So it is an entertaining app. Their objective was to increase the user engagement and user retention through a co-watching experience. So the solution that we offered them is a white label solution with a watch party template. They can go with their friends on that platform, co-watch the streaming. It could be a match, a movie, a TV show, anything. And you can keep your customers engaged along with them. You'll get audio option, video option, chat option, and you'll also can share these stickers and memes along while watching the content. So as a result of this, the JioCinema has clocked 100 million participant minutes in a month after implementation thus. So I'll show you a live demo to have the experience of how it looks and feels. Give me a second, I'll share a screen of my phone. I'm sharing the screen of my phone. Just give me a moment, please. So I hope everyone can see my phone screen. Ayushi, is it up on the screen?
Yes, we can see it.
Okay, thank you. So I'll click on JioCinema app. So right now the match is not live, so I'll be showing you a demo of it. When it will be live, how it will look like. So this is the match that is going on. I've clicked on it and we'll get the option of hype, highlights, game and party. This last option is the party where I'll get the start watch party there at the last, at the bottom. You have to enter your name. So I have already joined it before, so it's not asking me for the permission. So it will ask you if you're joining for the first time. You have to grant the permissions for audio, video, and you have to accept the terms and conditions. Once you have done that, you can click on start a party. So it will start and you can see that I am there at the bottom, and on the top the streaming is there, and I can add more participants using the like convenient method, and up to 8 participants it can support. So once I'll add it, that's like share invite will go, and my friends and colleagues will also be there up there. So I can switch off my video, on my video, mute myself, unmute myself. I can have the chat where it will show me that who all have joined and left. I can drop a text. So you as in me, right now it's referring to me, and the other person who will be texting there will be coming by their name. And I can also share like some of the GIF with my friends on the match that is going on, and we can enjoy this party. If we close the chat on these 3 dots, I can control the media options of my streaming. That is this one. I can increase, and of the party volume, that is my and my like colleagues or my friends whoever have joined me. So it can support maximum 8 people in a party. And if I say click on red button, it will ask me to like confirmation if I wish to leave the party. I give the confirmation, I'll be out of the party. Then I have 2 options again. I can rejoin the party or I can start a new party. If I click on rejoin the party, I'll go back in that same room where all my friends are there. So if you see this entire, you cannot see in this like on what a platform this is being conducted. So this is completely a white label solution. It could be JioMeet and any other CPaaS platform. So right now it's on the JioMeet because they have integrated the CPaaS capabilities of the JioMeet using SDKs, which is completely customizable. You can customize the UI, look and feel of everything. You can keep the user engaged with other tabs, game, highlights, and hype. So that's how they have increased their customer engagement and achieved more than 100 million participation minutes within a month. So give me a second. I'll stop the screen share from my phone. Yep. So if any one of you have never been tried the co-watching experience before, you just have to go on to JioCinema app. So today is the semi-final between Mumbai Indians and Gujarat Titans. You can connect with your friends, loved ones, colleagues, and get the hands-on experience of how an integrated CPaaS product looks like, how it feels, how they have customized it, and you can also get the experience of how it has enhanced the watching experiences with your friends. So today at 7 o'clock, once the match is live, you will get this option of a party. You click on that, and as I just like demonstrated, you can just go start like party and invite your friends to your party and enjoy the match, like semi-final match. Thank you. I hope you guys have enjoyed the demo and how you can onboard yourself. If you have any like questions, we can take them up. Ayushi, please.
Yeah. Thank you, Saurabh. Thank you for this insightful and detailed explanation. Because as you were taking us through the entire user journey, it actually gave us a great deep dive into JioMeet CPaaS. So we do have a few questions already. Also, the others, yeah, feel free to add all your questions to the comment or Q&A section, and sort of will be answering them right now. I'll start with the one someone has asked that is this watch party thing only for IPL or you can even use it for all other content?
Okay, so it depends upon the parent app. Like if like JioCinema enables this party app to every content of their application, it will be available for all the content. So right now they have enabled it for the IPL, and in like coming future they are enabling it for the movies and the like TV series as well. So it's the experience will be the similar. Just they have to enable it for the specific channel and the content.
Okay, got it. And one more question is, does it support to Flutter?
Yes, it does.
It does. Oh, that's great. Also, we had one question which we have answered, and even you can take you can also answer, and it'll be good for the other audience as well. So, one question was, other than product, can we use CPaaS for service providing company? If so, how? So, yeah,
Okay. So, as if you see CPaaS and a product in the service providing companies, these two, like product and the services, go hand to hand. These
right.
are not two different things that you can separate. So, if you have a product and you have to provide the services, so if I give you an analogy, product is a body and the services are its soul. So if you want it to move like further to achieve the milestone, the services is important. And to your questions, yes, CPaaS can be like provided to the services as well. So it's not just about the product. If you are into contact center services space, so you can again, as I like discussed in the use cases, you can create experience for your customers to provide a better services by connecting them personally to the agents. So its reach is not just towards the product; it outreach towards the services as well.
Yeah, got it. That's what even we have answered that it does have a contact center solution to help customer service requirements. So, Vishal, in case you have, any particular use case, you can definitely reach out to us and we can connect and explore how it can be done. So, yes. Also, we have one more question. Can you please share some capabilities of CPaaS for us to have a better and deeper understanding?
Okay, so we have seen voice call, video call, and the chat like functionality right now in the demo.
Right.
And it also provides you the SMS like services where you can use those text messages to send out the notification alerts, and or you can use the MMS messaging where the developers can send and receive multimedia content such as images, videos, audio files via messaging APIs. You can also have voice recognition and text to speech feature. You can have web RTC support. You can have call analytics and monitoring, where the developers can use the tools to gain insight into their communication services and optimize their applications. And not the last, but you can also integrate with other services like CRM systems, help desk software, messaging platforms, and more. So this will enable your developers to create a comprehensive communication solution that seamlessly integrate with existing tools and workflows. And it is important to note that specific capabilities offered by the CPaaS provider may vary.
Okay.
So you have to choose the provider and the APIs that best suits your
Suits.
application requirements and the development preferences.
Right. And it can be customized in that manner then.
Yes, the
Yeah.
SDKs are completely customizable. You can create your own UI to make it look and feel like as you want.
Right. Yeah. So it's like a pool of possibilities. We just have to deep
Yes.
dive into it. That's great, yeah. So anyone else, if y'all have any questions, do feel free to even connect with us on LinkedIn. Y'all can connect with Saurabh also directly on LinkedIn, and we are happy to answer your queries and questions that y'all have for this topic. So, yes, thank you once again, everyone, for joining and for being so patient and understanding this entire user journey that Saurabh had for us. Stay tuned with us. We have our next session coming on 9 June. So, we'll be updating all details on LinkedIn. Stay connected. You can follow us on LinkedIn for daily updates. And yes, see you soon. So, yeah. Thank you,
Thank
Saurabh.
you,
It was
everyone.
a good session.
Thank you, Ayush.
Thank you.